And welcome everyone. So, in this video, I would like to share a quick signal with you, and that is for a coin that is near with the USDT. So, I've drawn these lines, and these lines are showing that the near is going to go down, and it's a downward trend line. So, it will be touching 3.85, and that is the support zone. So, 3.85 or 380. So I recommend you to place your buying orders at 3.80, 3.1090, and that will be a good buying point for you for this coin, as this is showing a down. I can zoom in for you and show you. This is showing a downward movement towards 3.80, and the selling points should be for you, that is 4 and 4.20 and 4.25 or 30. So it's a quick signal, and if you're interested, so you should buy this and book your profit. Thank you everyone for watching.